Which one is easier to do it all white and be done, or we can make it match the gray that we're gonna do the bottom? What do
Um,
you think?
hmm.
So that way you have two colors instead of three colors.
Okay. I mean, I'm trying to picture what would look best, and I mean, to me, what would look the best would be like whatever color you paint the house to paint that strip right there.
So the house we're doing that dark blue. So do the thing dark blue.
Yeah, I do it dark blue and
Okay.
just paint it white and dark blue.
Okay, and then the bottom gray.
Yeah, and then paint the bottom gray.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should I buy wood paint to make this rail look a little bit newer?
You mean the paint, all the spindles and the paint, the deck and everything? I meant not the deck, but just the spindles and the rails and the wood and everything on the porch.
Yeah, like some type of color to black because it looks gray because it's old.
Oh,
The
yes,
way.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I would definitely paint it. I mean, yeah, I mean it doesn't look, but yeah, you can paint it and paint the 2311 also to match the house colors, either in white or.
No, I was just thinking like because it's wood. If we just buy, like they have the wood color one.
You mean like the clear coat? I mean, to
No, if
me,
you wanted to make it wood colors, like don't they have paint where you could paint wood?
well, I
Like
mean, they have kits, but the kits, they're like, it's like a kit because you have to put one color and then you have to put streaks in it, kind of like,
oh
you know what I'm
no,
saying? You have to put streaks in it to make it look like wood.
oh no.
You know what I'm saying? So they do sell them kits though, but we can check to see to make sure they don't have no new products to make it look like wood. But yeah, but yeah, you could. I mean, they've got browns and they've got light browns and dark browns, and